All right, let's make some slime.
Make slime, make
All
slime.
right, I'm gonna let you have that bowl.
Okay.
That's
Smells like
Mommy's bowl.
spaghetti.
Does it still smell like spaghetti?
A little bit.
And that'll be your bowl.
It's not my macaroni.
It's not for macaroni, it's for slime.
It's an
What's
hour slime.
Hang on, I left my phone in the car. Let me go grab my phone so we can eat the recipe.
I'm getting a shot set up.
Are you getting a shot set up? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, stop. Stop. Alright, you can't. Okay.
There we go.
Hey guys!
We're gonna make slime.
Slime.
Stop.
All right.
Ready for my question? Okay. So we're gonna start with a little batch just to see if we can get it done. Okay? Now, Brody, stop.
We need some Elmer's glue.
Okay.
So that we need some Elmer's glue so that it will kind of make the slime for us. I think glue helps it be sticky. Now you start off with a whole container of cup and you pour it in your mold,
That
right?
is a half a cup of glue.
Mommy,
You take half a cup of
I'm
glue.
gonna get you some, baby.
You pour it in the cup. Right, do you want to pour it in the cup now?
Mhm.
All right, let's pour it in. Whoa! So gluey and sticky.
Well, let's see if I have a little batch. Okay. So look, no, don't play with it because it'll.
Ruin it. You gotta get all the glue out so that way the slime
Okay,
can
so let's get something ready.
Alright, Birdie. It's your turn. Now you gotta dump the slime in the container.
And don't touch it, okay, Birdie? Don't touch it. Maybe this doesn't make as much as I
What's your face?
thought. Good job. Okay.
It's gonna make a big.
Now don't touch. Remember, we gotta follow directions, okay?
Okay.
So this is what it looks like so far.
Yeah.
Let's show them. Just have a cup of glue.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this on you.
Ah. Are you?
Yeah.
Enough.
Okay. Now we need half a cup of water.
Half a cup of water. So what you do is you take half a cup of water, then you pour it on the glue.
Yeah. I'm so excited. Eee.
Here's your water.
Right.
In there.
So this is what it looks like. I think it's it's cold water, not hot. Take it, pour
Here's
it.
your water. Pour that in.
Ooh.
Just remember, do not mess with it.
Yeah, you don't mess.
Don't mess with the slime. Whoa. This is what it looks like so far.
Okay.
Whoa.
And then you take some Tide and you put it in.
We are, but what do you want to add to it first?
I want to put glitter.
Alright, let's pick one thing.
One
Just one first.
um
We'll see what we can do. Pick one color.
I'm gonna do. Let's do blue.
Okay.
I'm
Which
going
one
to
do you
do
want?
green.
Oh, sorry.
Let's do green.
You want green?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Green is my
Miller
favorite.
wants the blue and Lily wants green. I'm gonna do pink. And don't put all of that in there, Miller. Maybe too much. If we need to add some, we can. Like these little packets, I think are okay.
Okay. Sure.
There's yours. Put that in there. Miller wants blue.
That's like sand powder.
I know. Okay.
Scoot in just to get a better view of it.
Cody, get.
All right. So right here.
I guess just come on. Just
All right. So now you take your glitter. You just dump it in, and it's okay if it just stays on the water.
Okay. Easily pour that in there.
So then you take your Tide and you easily pour it in.
Here's that stick. So you can just. All right, start stirring.
Where am I?
That's it. That's good. That's good.
Is it all of it? Is it okay if it's all of it?
Well, it says up to half a cup. So you have to go ahead and start stirring.
So and then
All right, pour that
start
in.
stirring it. Whoa! It's turning into slime. Whoa! Oh, not really doing that much.
You have to add some more glue to it.
Yeah, we might have to add some more glue to it. It's turning into like this white color slime.
What?
Wow. I'm gonna-
What?
Whoa, it's not slime yet though.
I think that we put too much water in it. Maybe that's not powerful.
Yeah, it's kind of like look at it, like feel it.
Wait. Slime.
Maybe we only need to do like quarter. Can I touch? Whoa.
What?
This is so cool. It's not really slime yet, but it's like it. Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it feels so good. No, wait, don't pour it.
Brody, just keep mixing. Just keep mixing it.
No, I want to touch it.
It feels really good, but it's not slime yet. It feels good.
Why is our slime just not working? I don't get it. I mean, I just went by the recipe.
Wait, look. Look.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, watch. Hold on. Let me see which one first.
No.
Hold on.
Oh, my hands are so sticky.
Get me up. No. My hair's sticky. My hair's sticky.
Oh, that looks so cool. Wow, look at this slime.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna call this. What slime should we call it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Not galaxy slime.
It's Papa slime.
Oh, web slime.
What slime?
Web slime.
Whoa.
Oh, it's so sticky.
It's sticky.
Is it still sticky?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot. Here, put it back in, baby. Put it back.
Oh, but I want to play
I
with.
know, but put it back in. I'll put a little bit more of this in there.
Alright. Stir it a little bit more.
See, mine's not sticking in my hands that much.
I got a good idea what we should call it.
Brody, stop.
So you know how
Alright, mix that in. Look,
you know
Brody,
how-
do this. Look, Brady, just go like this.
So you know how snails
Mm-hmm.
like run right down your
Ew.
hand? We should call it snail slime.
Snail slime.
Slime.
There's this hard part of it.
Slime. Oh,
It's so cool.
Brody,
Yeah.
put it back in your bowl.
oh, but I want to play with.
You can play with it. Just play with it in your bowl.
Hey, Brody, give mommy a chair so that way she can sit somewhere.
I'm good.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't
Try
really.
one other thing.
There you go. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. So this is how you make snail slime. Oh, that's so cool. Oh,
Like snot.
yeah, it's like snot. It
Yeah.
runs right down your finger.
Oh, yeah.
Brody, look, you're getting it everywhere. Don't do that, Brody. Gosh, kid. Look, you have to keep it in your bowl. In your bowl. Brody, let me get it where it's not so sticky.
Cool. Oh, it's like some sort of pus.
Yeah.
Ooh. You have
My
gigantic.
slime.
Oh.
Oh, Brody put a stick in there.
I think we need to add a little. I think we added too much water.
I think so too.
Yeah, that's why it's probably not. That's probably why it's not sticking.
I don't think Brody mixed it as good enough. There we
I'm gonna mix mine.
go. It's the detergent is what makes it not sticky. It makes it soapy though. That's what I don't like about it.
I mix it.
Like you could just,
I'm gonna try
like
one
when you're
more.
taking showers, you could just rub this all over your body.
Ew. I know, but then it's got glue in it. so-
Yeah, you're correct. When you're taking a
That.
bath, either you could use this as soap.
Or is I poo people.
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, it's sticking better.
Yeah.
I think I
Mix
should
it, baby. Hold on.
mix it. Mine's not really turning a color; it's just staying.
I know. I think it's the laundry detergent.
I know. It is.
Brody's kind of turned green though, so. All right, there you go, Brody. Now you can play in it.
Oh. Ew. I want to. Do you know how to upload stuff on YouTube?
I don't.
Look at this slide, Papa.
It looks like some sort of like ick.
Look, I'm gonna try one more thing. Let's see if it works.
If we blow dry it.
No, keep playing. Your stick is in there too. Watch, I'm gonna try one more thing.
My head, Papa.
This is so.
Oh!
OMG. I couldn't have. Did I get that? I don't know if I got that or not.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. There you see that, Papa.
That was like in slow motion too. It just went.
What
It
just happened?
happened.
Literally, the glue just fled right in the air. I don't know if you saw that or not, but it flew right in the air. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
You know that.
It's glue too. Oh.
It glued to all. Ew.
Oh.
There is
That's just disgusting.
Yeah.
Oh, is starting to stick.
Oh, my God, I did too. Look.
Whoa.
Oh, Baba, look. Baba, look. Look.
Ah, Brody! Don't throw your slime on me.
Brody, no. Keep it on your bowl.
Hey, Baba.
Brody, no, don't
We
drop it.
meant to get it.
Brody,
No.
keep it in your
1, 2, 3, go.
No, don't mix it.
No, Brody, put it in your bowl, please.
1, 2, 3.
No, don't mix it.
No, we have to do it right video.
Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing to see if it works.
This is so cool.
Yeah. Oh,
Whoa, hold on. Yeah, this is just fun. This is just amazing.
Try to keep it on your bowl. Try not to get on the floor though. Like I just did.
look. I just sailed on mine.
Well, Christina is making another batch of slime.
Let's see if
I have slime in my cut.
Yep. That was close. Right.
It's like doing something.
One. We put it.
No. Don't do it, don't do it. Yours is actually like slime.
Brody.
Brody, stop. You're getting slime stuff everywhere.
Baba, can you hide it?
I'm washing my hands.
Just be careful.
I really want my hand. Oh, I want all of me. I would go fast.
Alright, dry our hands off. Oh!
Maybe we need to like let it dry out just a little bit.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
And then maybe it turns into like that hard
Yeah, because
slime.
remember that girl said let it dry. Like put it in front of the sun for a couple minutes. Oh! My hands are so sticky. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's starting to mold, or not mold, but like mix together and stuff. I like this. Ew!
I could run.
It sounds like a poop flopping.
I could
Ew.
run in it.
Ew!
Okay, so let's let them like kind of dry out just a little
Let's
bit.
lie.
I'm mixing it as well. Faster.
Yeah, it's baby, it's really slippery, so be careful.
Got
Actually, I'm mixing it. Just mix it with your hands. So
We're playing water?
just mix it like this.
Well, now that it smells like laundry, it's okay. Okay.
Baba. Baba.
Oh.
Baba. Baba.
Oh no, the phone fell down.
Oh, I'm
Baba.
sorry. I need the paper towel.
Baba.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah.
How are we gonna get this shit up?
You. And mine. Oh, mommy.
Gosh, guys, This is so
funny. Whoa!
It feels so weird.
Water.
But don't do that. Like it's starting to stick.
Brody, stop.
What, Papa? Papa? Papa?
This is so satisfying. Like ASMR.
Yeah.
Just
No.
put it like right in front of yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Stop!
Brody, stop.
Ew, Papa. A cookie. Ew. Greg.
Stop. You're getting a laundry detergent everywhere.
What if a mess? Baba, damn, home
It's like guts.
I don't know what am I chicken. Water.
Brody!
You're putting water in it.
Well, at least I got something kind of mixed in.
You know that.
Oh, it's starting to soak in it.
What did you say?
The slime's starting to like grab and deterge like.
Milo.
Like, let it dry just a little bit and see what it does.
Might try.
Okay.
Might try.
Are we done for now?
No.
I think we should let them dry.
I
See
know.
what
I
they
know.
like.
I know.
Oh, Miller, look, let's pour out your water.
Let's let it dry out.
All
Alright. We'll. Alright.
We will play tomorrow.
Alright, go wash your hands. Miller, wash your hands.
Let's do. Alright. We're gonna end the video. And we'll do another one tomorrow.